have pursued my 12th from R.P. Dayanand Govind College, Umri Kanpur Nagar. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Danta Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing songs, dancing, and playing outdoor games. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier, give an adventurous life and equality to all sector boys. Now I am going to speak about the dowry system. Dowry systems refers to give the cash properties and movable properties to the bridegrooms from the bride families. It is a bad for us. It is a bad for our growing India. As it should be prohibited, and our government is doing a lot of work to prohibit it. Our government launched a IPC, many of the IPC Act to prohibit it, and three especially article to prohibit it. But it is not really happening in our India. It is not happening because our citizen is not supporting the government. We are not responsible. We are not responsible for that. If we are not initiated, if we will be all our boys, if we will initiate it, I think in the future it will be banned in our India. As we know that we cannot deny also that the bride also can take an opportunity to punish our bridegrooms. They can they can report from just because of the any cheating they did it. This is also a bad for us. That's the reason our government have a keep eye on it and make a law that without magistration order police cannot arrest the bridegrooms. I think government are doing a lot of work for it and they have keep eye on it, but we should be supported. Then we will support it. I think it will be ban our India and our India will be grow. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jasad Kadiyar. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Kadiyar. He is a farmer. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman. So I am present here for group discussion. Today's topic is dowry system. First, we should understand what is dowry system. Dowry system is a process where bride family give cash money or indirect money to groom family. It's a very social cause, bad social cause of our society. First, we should understand there are many benefits of it, as dowry helps new married couple to establish their life, and it also promotes a woman's status in their family, and dowry makes career job ugly woman to help in marriage easy. And there are many cause of dowry system, as we know that sometimes bride family files false allegation against grooms, and it is also there are many cause many women and girls are doing suicide due to dowry system. As we know that in our constitution, Dowry Prohibition Act in 1961, where if a man practice dowry system, he will go to the jail for 3 years and give fine about 15,000. At conclusion, I will say it is a bad evil cause of our society. Our government should take a strong stand against it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arpit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur. I pursued my intermediate from Australian Inter College with 87% mark in high school I got 88% mark. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My father name is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Tiwari. His occupation is farming, and my mother name is Mrs. Sakuntala Tiwari. She is homemaker. If I talk about my hobby is playing cricket, and in my free time I like to listening music. Today we will discuss on given topic. The topic given to us is dowry system. The money, goods or estate which brings to husband in marriage is dowry. This evil system is dowry system. Today we will discuss on dowry system. What is the cause of dowry system? Today we will discuss.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ankesh Sachan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and portraits. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons, that's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is about dowry system. There are many evils in our society, but dowry is one of the greatest evil in our society. Dowry is basically a demand from the groom side to the parents of the bride side. It could be in any form like money, ornaments and property. Dowry is the greatest evil for us and it should be completely banned. Sometimes bride take convey to take wrong steps like suicide, and they were harmed by the parent side. And at last I would like to say that it's our youth responsibility to step against this evil. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sam Singer. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. In my free time, I like to play cricket and reading the Holy books also. I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation and improve the economical condition of our family. Now I come to the topic. Topic is dowry system. Dowry means to give gifts and ornaments and money also to the bridegroom family. It is a small help of new married bride. That is good, but now in our country it has become and social evil. Due to this system, women are forced to give anything more and more things from their families, and due to this system, women are also have been gone to wrong side like suicide or murder, other things. It is a social evil, so it is our responsibility also to uplift, to reduce this evil, and we should try to. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Aryan Sichan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP Road, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and there is no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We are gathered here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. Topic is dowry system. First of all, we have to understand the dowry. Dowry means to give money in any form from the bride's family to the groom's family. This money help to the settle newly married couple, and it's and dowry system to help ugly women for marriage. And we all know that in many times due to dowry system, many marriage will not happen due to dowry system, and many couple will not together us due to dowry system. And we saw that dowry system is not good, because many women are facing harassment of their life partners. And at last, I want to say that if you want to reduce this, so first of all, change our mentality and need to change society mentality.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I tell about my education. I have done my intermediate in 2018 with 82% marks. Now I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. Now what about my family background? My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and rising in the morning. The positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today, we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is dowry system. Money, goods and estate which a woman brings to her husband's house is called dowry. Dowry is very bad for our society all over India. It is a nuisance for our society. It is not an act of sorry.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramchandra Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP World from Marshall Evel Inter College, Umri, Kanpur Nagar. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJM University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for the group discussion. As we know that there are many kinds of evils in our society. The dowry is the biggest evil in this, and we first of all we all should know about the dowry. Dowry means the gift which was the gift and ornaments and some money was given to the bridegroom's family from bride side. And there are many pros and cons of this topic. Firstly, we all should know about the pros. Sometimes it helps the newly married couple for the settlement, and sometimes it helps the ugly girl to his marriage. But there are many kinds of cons. We all should know about the cons. In ancient time, it was not compulsory, but in the modern era, it is compulsory. Sometimes violence is increasing day by day due to dowry. At last, I would like to conclude, we all are responsible for it. We should take a good step to reduce it.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP Board with 85% mark. And now I am pursuing graduation from the college Madan Singh Mahavidyalaya affiliated with Kanpur University. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parents' dream. We are gathered here to discuss a topic dowry system. Dowry system is a process in which the family members of grooms make some term and condition in the front of the family of bride. The term and condition, the family members of grooms ask money, ornament and many more things to settle a marriage. When they are agree, then the marriage became settled. We all know that it is the big social evil of our society. We should eradicate from the society, and we have to work on education. If we are really educated, when we don't have any gratification to ask dowry. This is big for our country. Our government also doing many type of work in this area, and it is big evil of our society.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyas Saw. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village at Matpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us a square deal manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. To become the part of defense is my dream. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge and experience. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Hence, the topic given to us to have the discussion is a dowry system. If any girl took with her any money and goods to her husband, is called dowry. It is a reward for our society, and it is a bad custom. And it is not a modern custom. In the ancient time, it was also present, but in the ancient time, it was not compulsory. But in the modern time, it was compulsory. In the modern time, it is compulsory, and if we are want to marry our girls, then we have to give some money or goods. It is a bad custom, and we should change it because we are a future society, and our future depend upon our decision. It is our first responsibility that we should change like these wrong social work, and our government tried lots of work and make some act like Anti-Dowry Act, which is passed in 1961, but it had not do lots of work, because in my opinion it is not a country's matter, it is a social matter, and we are also responsible that that we are destroy like these social